Hello, my name is Thomas. I work in Alltrac support and implementations here at Point S Corporate. And today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on the inspection report settings. Firstly, we need to navigate to our settings by clicking on the settings option in the home navigation bar. Next, we need to click on the inspection report tab. Once we are here, we are shown our template options first. The template options are where we create our inspection report templates that will be used in our customer inspection reports. First, I'm going to teach you about the creation of inspection report templates. Then I will hop into a more in-depth look at the other parts of the inspection report settings. As you can see, you probably already have some pre-built inspection report templates, but we are going to create a new one by pressing the Add Template button here. First, we have to give it a name. I will name it Basic Inspection. Then you will need to decide if you'd like to include tire pressure and tread depth inspection. For this inspection, I would like to include it, so I'm going to leave that checked. Then, we need to add a category. Categories are what divides your inspection report into according sections related to that category. For example, we're going to create a category called Tires and Brakes. First, click on the Add Category dropdown. You will see some pre-built category options. To create a new one, click Create New. Then add a name. Tires and Brakes is what I'm calling it. Once you add your name, then click Save. Next, we're going to need to add an item to that category. Inspection items are basically checklist items you mark off while creating your customer inspection report. Inspection report items look like this on the inspection report. Since we are adding the item to our tire and brake category, I will create an item named Tire Condition. First, click on the item dropdown. You will see your previous pre-built inspection items in the dropdown, but we are going to create a new one, so I will select Create New. First, we're going to need a name. I'm going to name it Tire Condition. Then we add a description about the criteria of the item. For example, I will write down the physical condition of the tires, mark the condition accordingly if the tire has been damaged in any way. Next, we have these two boxes right here. I'm going to show you what these two boxes do. If we do not check these boxes, the do not prompt for more after inspection point failure and the do not prompt for more after inspection point warning, I will show you what will happen. As an example, I'm going to pull up our inspection report. So, we see the item test. This item has those boxes unchecked. When we click failed, it prompts us for a technician note like this. If we press warning, it prompts us for a technician note again. Now, if we go back to our item and select these options, it will no longer prompt us for a technician note. But for now, I'm going to leave these options unchecked. Next, we have our notes. Let's say our customer's tire was flat, and our shop gets a lot of flat tires on the regular. So in our inspection reports, instead of always having to type out the tire is flat, we can simply create a pre-made note to select in the event of a flat tire. First, make the note by clicking Add Note, and then clicking Create Note. Then we make a name. I'm going to call it Flat Tire. And the description will be, the tire is flat. Now I'm going to hit Save. We can add multiple notes for multiple situations. I already pre-created another note. Go ahead, try adding your own notes. After you've added all the notes that you'd like, then hit Save. You can add multiple items and multiple categories to your inspection report. Let's add a few. Don't forget to save your progress. Let's say you want to make a change to your inspection report. This is an easy fix, luckily. Simply click on the Edit button on the desired report you'd like to make the change to. We can add and delete items and categories on the inspection template. To delete a category, press the X. To delete an item, click the minus symbol listed by the desired item to delete it. We can also change the order of the items and categories to adjust to our workflow. Simply click and hold an item to drag it up and down the list. Likewise, we can do it with categories. Simply click and hold a category to drag it up and down the list. And remember to click Save. Now let's say you want to change or delete a category. This is also fairly simple to do. Just navigate to the Categories tab right here. As you can see, we have a list of all the categories currently available to our store. If you'd like to delete a category, simply click the trash can icon next to the category that you'd like to delete. If you'd like to edit a category, simply click the edit icon next to the category you'd like to edit. Also, if you'd like to add a category, you can click the Add Category button right here. Just give it a name. Now let's say you want to make a change or delete an item. Simply navigate to the Items tab right below the categories. Now you will see a list of items that is available to your store. You can search through your items with the search bar right here. It looks like we have some duplicated items. We don't need those, so let's get rid of them by clicking the trash can icon on the items we no longer want. Now let's make an edit to them by clicking on the pencil icon beside the item you'd like to edit. Make your changes and then hit Save. And there you go. Additionally, you can also add an item through this screen. Click Add Item and fill out the information accordingly. Give it a name, a description, and notes. And remember to click Save. Now let's say you want to delete or make a change to a note. Simply navigate to the Notes tab below the Items tab. Here you can see all the notes that are available to your store. You can also use the search bar to find the notes you want to edit or delete. It looks like we have some more duplicated test notes. You can delete notes by clicking the trash can icon next to the note you'd like to delete, like this. We can also make an edit to note by clicking the pencil icon on the note that we'd like to edit. Remember to click Save. And we can also add a note by clicking the Add Note button right here. Give it a name and a description, and remember to save. Now you know everything you need to know about inspection report settings. Thank you for watching our video today. And hey, if you're looking for more Alltrac training, please check out our training playlist here on YouTube. It's full of helpful advice and training videos on Alltrac. You have a great day.